Hey everyone! Today I'll show you where. If you're getting an Unreal process has crashed in Solasta II, here's how to fix it on PC. First, restart your computer. Then make sure the game exe files are allowed through antivirus and Windows Defender Firewall. If you use third-party antivirus like Avast, Norton, or Bitdefender, allow all the game exe files there too. Next, try adding -DX12 in the Steam launch options, or switch to the beta version if needed. Lower your graphics settings, set upscaling to TSR, post-processing to medium, and lock FPS to 60. If the game still crashes, move it to an SSD or C drive. Reinstall Visual C++ x86 and x64, and rename the config or save game folders. Backup first. Also, disable overlays, stop any overclocking, and verify game files via Steam. Finally, make sure you're running the game on the dedicated GPU. Update or roll back your graphics drivers, increase virtual memory, and update Windows and BIOS. Following these steps should fix the crash and let you launch Solasta II without errors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.